Okay. Here's the little oscillating engine that is on Little Machine Shop's website. It's a neat little build. I modified it to be able to use materials that I had. All the locomotives I've ever built, I've never built an oscillating engine before, but this is the first start, so it appears to be oscillating back and forth, jumping around on the table a little bit, but there it goes. I suppose that's what it's supposed to do. It's pretty cute. Try to lower the pressure a little bit and see what happens. Still operating. Anyway, aluminum cylinder, brass piston, bronze crankshaft, and then a brass vertical piece and a brass base. Looks pretty cute. Got an aluminum flywheel, which is what they called for. I thought it might be a little light, but apparently it's enough. Sitting in front of my Stort 5A engine that I built a while ago. Anyway, that's it for now.